They ain't want to see it. Uh-huh. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back behind the pickup. And today we're gonna start this video off by telling you guys this shoe is only cost $70 ship. $70. The shoe we're referring to today, coming straight from Nike, is none other than a pair of Nike Revolution 8. Now, this shoe, it does look very similar to another shoe that's about $90 more, but it's not that shoe, and you can tell by the tech. However, this shoe should not be slept on. $70 for this shoe right here is well worth the price. All right, so for $70, what you're gonna get in version 8 is an upgrade from version 7. And what Nike's done to make that upgrade is they have increased the quality of materials by making the shoe better. And what they've done better, more specifically, is they made a much more breathable mesh. So if you look right here, you can see the lighting of the foam right through there. So this is very, very breathable. And in person, you can almost see the rose gold. So this right here is a plus. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I wasn't too familiar with this particular model. I was just up, you know how it is when you're up late night, just clicking on things and you happen to see something you normally wouldn't see. And I say, wow, this version 7 has a lot of reviews. I was gonna buy those, and then it just so happened that these were coming out soon. And I was like, you know what? I'll get them, I get them. So what you're gonna get from this shoe is you're gonna get the Nike branding right here, Nike branding right here, right here, Nike check, flip it over, Nike check, and just let you know that it's made partially from recycled materials. Flip it over, good amount of traction, and then you have the Nike check right here. Now, this right here is a foam midsole. Now, this particular tech does not get a name. It's not classified as Zoom X or React or any other popular Nike branding, but it's just foam, which is totally fine for the price. It doesn't have to have the big name because then it increases the price. Now, this is like a nice entry-level runner. This shoe reminds me of a pair of NMDs as far as the quality that you're gonna get with these, as far as the level of responsiveness. Great design for the price. Now, I will say this, I believe this insole is what makes the shoe even better. This reminds me of, well, if you take it off, you see comfort and it says footbed, which is very understandable, because this right here is like the topper of your mattress. So you get you a nice super duper plush mattress, you put a piece of foam on there about 1 inch or 2 thickness, boy, let the fun begin. Now, of course, I couldn't talk to you about this shoe without mentioning the shoe that I'm sure it drew inspiration from, which is this bad boy right here. This right here is the king of kings. This is Nike's most comfortable shoe. And I'm gonna be honest, this is probably the most comfortable shoe out right now. These are, of course, the Nike Vomero 18s. Did a video on this a while back. Super duper comfortable and responsive. Now, this shoe is gonna get you 2 pieces of tech. You're gonna get the Zoom X as well as the React X. So, of course, with that, you're gonna get a higher price point. This puts you at $155 currently at the time of this video. Now, that's why I say this is the budget-friendly version of this shoe. I mean, if you look at it, you can see where the inspiration comes from. I mean, just look at it. The upper mesh. Look at that. I mean, it's clear. It's clear as day. Now, me personally, I casually wear these, and I'm gonna run in these because these are cheaper and I can just rebuy these. And I'm pretty sure these will be on sale by the end of the year, which is even better, which is like a win-win. Now, when it comes to making a premium shoe, you have to use premium materials, and sometimes that affects the cost as well as the weight. This, of course, is a lightweight shoe. And hey, daughter, let me see what you got. Ooh, spin around, baby, spin around. Yeah, looking so pretty. All right, so back to what we were talking about. So this shoe is gonna put you at, weight-wise, 292 as far as grams. And then this shoe is gonna put you at 326 as far as grams. So this is a heavier shoe, but it's a lot more premium shoe, which you would expect. I mean, like I said, man, I can't complain about this shoe at all. Is that my other daughter? You want to be in the video too? All right, so as far as being able to slip these things on with no hands, you could definitely do that depending on what size you go with. I went half a size up because I like to wear my shoes casually. Come on, baby. Now, if you're gonna run in these, some runners, they like to go with the true size. I'm not knocking it, but I say half a size up because I'm gonna wear these casually. Actually, I'm probably gonna do both. I'm gonna wear one pair running and then another pair casually, the second pair that goes on sale. And as far as slipping these things off with no hands, you can definitely do that as well. Slip these off. Now the premium version is gonna give you a little bit more of a boost as far as comfort and as well as height. So you're looking at, with the premium, a little over 2 inches. And then with the regular budget-friendly version, a little under 2 inches. But either way, it's a win-win. Find the lock. Where? Point to it. Where's the lock? Go point to it. That's it? Let me see. Hey! Hey, mommy, stand beside the key, mommy. Stand beside the key. I want to open another lock.
Yeah, stop playing.